Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a makeup product that I recently purchased that I love. It's by Tarte. I used Tarte in the past. I used their matte liquid lipstick, which I'm obsessed with because it stays on all day and it has great colors that you could choose from, so many different ones, and they're all beautiful, pigmented, and I especially love Tarteist because they don't test on animals at all, so that's really awesome. So this is the Pro Glow highlighter. So this is great for like your cheekbones, to add a little like shimmer to your skin. About the product, it says glow like the goddess you are with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Its ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. So you can definitely mix this with your foundation. What I've just been doing is I just wanted it like specifically on my cheekbones. So after I apply some liquid foundation and then powder, I'll put a little bit of this on top of that. But you could do whatever you like. It's very versatile. You don't have to do it that way. It's infused with rose water, which is really good for your skin. It slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. You can also layer the super pigmented shades with their matching Amazonian clay 12-hour powder highlighters for a scene from space strobe. It's made with squalene, which is a natural skin emollient that delivers and retains moisture. Rosa Zamescana flower water, soft-scented water distilled from fresh rose blossoms with calming skin benefits, mineral pigments, and these mineral pigments soothe and soften skin. Suggested usage: use your fingertips or a blending sponge to spotlight the high points on the face, like the cheek and brow bones. Use a small amount to highlight the inner corner and cupid's bow. A little goes a long way. Cupid's bow is like the middle of your lip, like the middle of that little area that goes down a little bit, goes down like a cupid's bow. The hybrid formula can also be mixed with your foundation or tinted moisturizer for naturally illuminating coverage. For the most intense strobing effect, layer each shade underneath its coordinating Amazonian clay 12-hour powder highlighter, which I haven't tried yet, but I've tried their 12-hour blush, and that's also made from Amazonian clay, and it's literally amazing. I love it, and I'm going to be doing another video on that to show you guys, and I actually wear both of those together. So it comes off really easily, the top. Just screwed it off to show you guys. Okay, so that's the top, and then this is like the little part where the highlighter comes out, so you just need a little bit, goes a long way. So I just want to show you guys the color. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful, almost like gold, and the shimmer. It's literally from like the smallest amount, and you could use that on just one of your cheekbones, like just see a little bit. So this product will last you a really long time. Like this is enough for one cheekbone, and it was just the smallest squeeze ever. This is Sparkler, it's called. I'm sure it comes in other colors as well. Let's see, made in USA, distributed by Tarte Incorporated in New York, New York. Website is www.tarte.com, and this is net weight 15.9 grams or 0.56 ounces. And I love that the color of the container kind of like shows you, like it's like shimmering itself. So it kind of shows you like how it's going to look before you get the product. So I kind of thought that was neat. Of course, it's like a little more rosy, but you could see like the highlight in it in the light. I think that's so cool. And like I said, a little bit goes a long way. Also great is I think like during the day, you just need the smallest amount, but at night, if you go out, you can do like a heavier highlight so it shows more in the dark, and it'll just make your skin shine, and it'll make you stand out a lot too. So I really love this product. I'm so happy with Tarte and anything I've ever used from them, which is the highlighter, the Amazonian clay blush, and their liquid matte lipsticks. Been satisfied equally with all of them. The shipping weight for this is 0.6 ounces, and the product description itself is just a light reflecting liquid highlighter to illuminate all skin tones with a healthy dewy glow. So I just want to mention too, you don't just have to mix it in with your foundation. You could also add it like anywhere else that you would want a little bit of a highlight. Like my friends put a little bit on like her neck and like décolleté area, and when she went out, and it looked really good. So it's really, really versatile, and you could use the bronzer and use this with bronzer, blush, anything you usually use, but just on top of it, just to give you a nice like extra highlight and an extra glow. So this was Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. I hope you ladies try it out. I hope you love it, and I hope that you found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching.